Welcome back to Simple Mind Space, your go-to podcast for all things personal finance and wealth building. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating concept that simplifies the often intimidating world of financial planning. Get ready to discover the power of infinite banking and how even a fourth grader can grasp its simplicity. Now, before we unravel the intricacies of infinite banking, let's address the elephant in the room, our relationship with money. We're all unique individuals with distinct personalities, and those differences extend to how we handle our finances. In the vast landscape of personal finance, we can categorize people into three main archetypes based on their money habits. Recognizing where you fit in these archetypes is the first step towards understanding your financial strengths and weaknesses. The three money archetypes. 1. The disciplined steward. Let's start with Sally Saver. Sally embodies discipline and financial prudence. Growing up, her parents instilled in her the value of saving, hard work, and living within her means. From a young age, Sally learned that achieving financial goals required patience, delayed gratification, and a commitment to setting aside money regularly. As Sally entered adulthood, she carried these valuable lessons into her career and personal life. She became a model employee, always punctual, dedicated, and committed to delivering exceptional work. Sally understood the importance of paying herself first, a fundamental principle of wealth creation. She consistently saved a portion of her income, diligently growing her nest egg. However, Sally's story takes a turn when it comes to major purchases. Let's illustrate this with Sally's dream car, a stylish red coupe she'd been eyeing for years. For 5 long years, Sally diligently saved, patiently watching her savings grow. Finally, the day arrived when she had enough saved to buy her dream car outright. Sally, shunning the burden of debt and car payments, proudly marched to the dealership, check in hand, ready to negotiate her well-deserved reward. She drove off the lot in her brand new car, the epitome of financial responsibility. But here's the catch. In that moment of triumph, Sally unknowingly reset her financial clock. Her years of disciplined saving culminated in a single purchase, bringing her back to square one. Despite her best intentions and disciplined saving habits, Sally fell prey to a common financial trap, the rat race. This cycle involves working hard, earning money, and then spending it all on depreciating assets, leaving you with little to no financial progress. 2. Johnny Debtor, living in the moment. Our second archetype is Johnny Debtor, the life of the party, always radiating charm and charisma. Johnny's easygoing nature and natural ability to connect with people made him a beloved figure among his peers. While he may not have been the most academically inclined student, Johnny possessed exceptional social skills and a knack for making those around him feel valued. However, when it came to money, Johnny lacked the disciplined approach that defined Sally Saver. He lived in the moment, prioritizing instant gratification over long-term financial goals. If a shiny new gadget caught his eye, he wouldn't hesitate to swipe his credit card, pushing financial planning to the back burner. As Johnny transitioned into adulthood, his financial habits continued to reflect his carefree nature. Despite landing a respectable job at a bank, he hadn't fully grasped the importance of responsible debt management. When his father, a seasoned businessman, saw Johnny's beat-up old car, he knew it wouldn't project the right image for his son's new career. True to his nature, Johnny headed to the car dealership, the same one where Sally had meticulously saved for her car. But unlike Sally, Johnny wasn't armed with a hefty savings account. Instead, he relied on his ability to secure a loan, despite his average credit history. While Johnny eventually paid off his car loan, he repeated this cycle with each major purchase, accumulating debt and sacrificing the potential for his money to grow through investments and compound interest. He, too, found himself caught in the rat race, constantly working to pay off debt and maintain a lifestyle fueled by borrowing. 3. William Wealth Creator, mastering the game of money. Our final archetype, William Wealth Creator, represents the epitome of financial mastery. He's the individual who understands the intricate dance between saving, investing, and leveraging financial tools to build lasting wealth. William sees money not just as a means to an end, but as a powerful tool to create opportunities, build security, and leave a lasting legacy. William's journey to wealth creation begins with a deep understanding of financial principles, including the power of compound interest, asset diversification, and strategic debt management. He recognizes that true wealth creation isn't just about accumulating money, it's about making money work for him. Instead of falling into the common traps of overspending and accumulating consumer debt, William focuses on building assets that appreciate over time, such as real estate, businesses, and investments. He understands that true wealth lies in owning assets that generate passive income and grow in value, even while he sleeps. The path to becoming a wealth creator. Now, you might be wondering, how can we break free from the shackles of the rat race and embark on the path to becoming wealth creators? The answer lies in a paradigm shift, a fundamental change in our mindset and approach to money. It's about adopting the principles that govern wealth creation and implementing strategies that align with those principles. Enter infinite banking. This is where the concept of infinite banking comes into play. Infinite banking isn't a get-rich-quick scheme or a magical financial product. It's a system, a philosophy, and a set of strategies designed to empower you to take control of your finances and build wealth systematically. In essence, infinite banking leverages the power of specially designed whole life insurance policies to create a personalized banking system. This system allows you to become your own banker. You'll have the flexibility to borrow money from yourself, cutting out the middleman banks and keeping more of your hard-earned money within your control. Accumulate cash value. Your policy builds cash value over time, providing a source of funds for future expenses, investments, or emergencies. Enjoy tax advantages. Infinite banking offers potential tax advantages, allowing your money to grow more efficiently. Now, let's revisit our archetypes and see how they fare in the world of infinite banking. Sally Saver. With infinite banking, Sally can maintain her disciplined saving habits while also accessing the funds she needs for major purchases without constantly depleting her savings. She can borrow against her policy's cash value and pay herself back with interest, essentially mimicking the function of a traditional bank, but with added benefits. Infinite banking can be transformative for Johnny. It teaches him the importance of strategic borrowing, allowing him to access funds without relying on high-interest credit cards. By borrowing from himself and paying himself back with interest, Johnny learns to manage debt responsibly and break free from the cycle of high-interest payments. Infinite banking complements William's existing wealth-building strategies, providing him with an additional tool to enhance his financial portfolio. He can use his policy's cash value for strategic investments, further diversifying his assets and creating multiple streams of income. The power of mindset. The beauty of infinite banking lies not just in its mechanics, but in the mindset shift it encourages. It compels you to think like a banker, making conscious decisions about your money and prioritizing long-term financial growth. It's about transitioning from a consumer mindset to a creator mindset, taking control of your financial destiny and building a legacy that extends beyond yourself. Final thoughts. As we conclude today's exploration of infinite banking, remember this: regardless of your current financial situation or your money archetype, you have the power to make a change. The journey to financial freedom begins with a single step: a commitment to learning, growing, and implementing strategies that empower you to become the master of your own financial destiny. If you enjoyed this episode, we encourage you to like, subscribe, and share it with your network. Until next time, keep those simple minds engaged, and we'll see you in our next episode.